Today, you're going to create a slide with hyperlinks to websites. Tourists are going to want to learn more about their travel destination. For this reason, you need to include the hyperlinks to your websites on the internet that contain facts, travel tips, or pictures. This is going to be where you got your information from. So first, go ahead and open your PowerPoint. Remember, you click on your Windows Explorer icon, you click on desktop, then you double click on your folder, double click on your travel folder, then double click on your PowerPoint. You're also going to want to go ahead and open your Word document that has all of your research that I sent to you or that you did in assignment 3. You're going to scroll down to the bottom until you get to the websites, because you're going to need to copy and paste these websites into your PowerPoint. So go to your PowerPoint, scroll down until you get to your last slide, which should be your map with the title Visit Honolulu or your city and state. Now click New Slide drop down, then click Title and Content. Where it says click to add title, type Learn More. Where it says click to add text, type Learn more about the name of your city and state. Then you're going to enter. Then you're going to tab. Then type visit. Now, and a space. We're going to need to add that hyperlink. A hyperlink is a link to a website that's made from words. When the words are clicked, the website opens on the internet. Now go back to your Word document by clicking on it in the taskbar. Then you're going to click and drag to select one of the websites. Then you're going to right click on top of what you just selected and you're going to copy it. Then go back to your PowerPoint. You're going to right click and paste it. Go ahead and paste just text only. Notice that it's not blue, so it's not truly a hyperlink yet. If you enter, it will become a hyperlink. So backspace to get rid of your tab, click just before visit and backspace again. Now we're going to insert a hotspot. A hotspot is a picture that has a link to a website. When the picture is clicked, the website's going to open on the internet. So click the Insert tab, then click Picture, then use one of the pictures that you have not used before. If you need to go back to Firefox and search, you can do so. Type in your city, state, or something that you would like to take a look at. Now, find one of the pictures that you like, click on it, right click, save image as, click Save, then go back to your PowerPoint, insert picture, find the picture that you just saved or that you want to use, click on it, then click Insert. Now obviously this picture is way too big, so we need to click on the corner handles only. Remember, we resize pictures from the corner handles only so that it is not so big. Remember, we need to save fairly often. Every time we make a change or something, we need to save. So make sure you've saved by clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Now, we're going to need to insert a hyperlink to this picture to create our hotspot. So, go back to your Word document, click and drag to select a different web page to copy. So right click, copy, go back to your PowerPoint, click on Insert, click Hyperlink. It should already have existing file or web page selected. Where it says address, you're going to right click and paste your new web address that you just copied, then click OK. Now when we play our slideshow, we can click on this picture and it will take us to the website that we just copied and pasted. But before we do that, we need to make sure that we tell people that they can click on this. So from the Insert tab, click Text Box, click and drag to draw your text box, and then type the words. Click on the picture to visit. So, once you've done that, you can triple click to select it, and here's where you can change your font and align it however you'd like, change your color, something so that it stands out. If you need to make it bigger, but make sure that it doesn't sit on top of anything else. Now, if you want to add a fill, you can do that from the Drawing Tools format. If you want to make some picture tools, some effects from your picture tools, you can do that, but make sure that your text box does not sit on top of your picture. If it does, then you need to move it and adjust the size. Make sure it doesn't sit on top of the bottom. If you need to change your size of the picture, change the size of your text box, whatever you need to do so that more than one thing is not sitting on top of another. You can even change the location of your text box. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Save. Now, we need to test it to make sure that it works properly. So, from the Slideshow tab, click From Current Slide. You should be able to see a little hand pop up that if you clicked on it, it would take you to the web page. If this does not work, then you need to fix that. Close that web page and go back to your PowerPoint. Click on your picture to make sure it works. If it does work, great. If it doesn't, you need to go back and which step did you not complete. Once you've done that, you've checked your hotspots, you're going to click Escape. You're going to make sure you've saved it by clicking on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Then you're going to submit it on Canvas.